Okay, let's go over the top three market movers for the week. Number one, earnings, and more earnings. Number two, the FOMC meeting will conclude on Wednesday, and GDP will be reported on Thursday. Let's go over number one, earnings. A lot of the big tech companies will be reporting this week. We have Alphabet and Meta. They'll tell us a little bit more about the ad spending that's going on. Amazon and Microsoft will give us a good look at corporate spending, and Apple will tell us more about the consumer. We also have Walmart and Target this week, so lots of big companies coming out and reporting this week, so it could be exciting. Number two, interest rates. The Fed is widely anticipated to raise rates by 75 basis points Wednesday. There's a 75% chance that they're going to do that. After the hot CPI report last week, there was a full point discussion, and right now it's sitting at 25, but my money's on they're going to continue to go 75 basis points at this meeting. All right, let's talk about GDP. The first version of the second quarter will be reported on Thursday, and the Atlanta Fed GDP now has it sitting at negative 1.6. Now, that just so happens to be the first quarter's US GDP was negative 1.6. So two negative numbers, rule of thumb says that we are in a recession. Okay, so we'll see what happens, but the rule of thumb, the textbook definition says, yes, we're in a recession. But Secretary Yellen came out on Sunday and basically said the labor market is now extremely strong. This is not an economy that's in recession, but we're in a period of transition in which growth is slowing. So we're not in a recession, Yellen. Well, Yellen, you also forgot, you were wrong about inflation just a few months ago, but we'll go ahead and believe you this time because you are right on this one. And just in case she's not right, the White House basically just changed the definition for two negative quarters in a row. So it's not a recession if you basically change the definition of the recession, is what the White House is doing. So I don't know. I'm going to call it, we're in a recession. It may be extremely mild, but we are definitely in a recession.